This one is broken. Alright. Oh, door close button works. Switch the indicator. This is a Schindler, I know that. Alright, here we are at 3. That's it. Alright, here are the other parking garage elevators at the Providence Place Mall. We can't go down to D because this elevator is broken and this is the only one that goes down there. So we just have to accept that. So we're gonna go. Oh, this one's going up. This is also a Schindler. And of course, some of you might be hyped up about the fire alarms too, but I don't really care about those. Here it is. Alright, let's go to 3. Oh, someone must have cleaned the elevator. Let's watch the indicator. Alright, that's it. Back at the Providence Place Mall after 3 years. I think it's gonna be this one. I just saw someone get out of these, so go in them, so might be a little bit. This might only be the one in service. I'll have to wait a little while. Oh, I already pressed it, man. Oh, this one's the only one in service, I guess. Don't know why that one doesn't work. Oop.
Oh, the jean thing?
Alright. This elevator is also a Schindler.
Yo no te dejo. Tu serenita.
Just like the parking garage ones. Alright, here at 1. Now I'm gonna go film the glass ones. Alright, here are the glass ones now. I'm gonna go down this one. There it is right there. Oh, it's coming up. Here it is. Come on, open. What the hell? There you go. see, P1. And once again, oh wait, I actually don't know if this is a schindler because of the indicator. Look out the window. Let's get a cab view this time. Then we'll go on the other one actually. Here at P1. Okay, what the hell? Oh. Let's go on the other one right here. Huh? This one might not work. Oh well. That's it. There's another set of these elevators actually. So this one's already here actually. So yeah. P1. We're gonna get another cab view. What's going down? Alright, let's see if the other one's working now. I'll get a cab view of one of the interior ones. There we go. Alright, let's go over here. Is this one working? Oh, this one's broken too. Okay. Oh. That's it. Alright, here are the other set of elevators. Oh. I'm gonna open in a second, but... Three. Shut the door. Now let's get a cab view. These elevators are also schindler. I think all the elevators here are schindler. Here are three. Alright, and that's it.